Yeah, when you are courageous, you will believe in yourself more. You will understand yourself more. You will be aligned with your inner resources more than others. Yeah, you will believe in yourself, then you will pursue what you want. Unless and until you will trust yourself, you cannot pursue what you want. Right? Yeah. Next point is power to assert yourself. Assert means like talking confidently about what you want. There is no need to be aggressive about it. Stay calm and talk about what you want, what your needs are, what your approach is, how you want to take your life to. If you are committed towards that, people will listen. If you are not committed, you are just throwing some words or just communicating for the sake of communicating, then nobody is going to support you or nobody is going to help you. You have to walk your talk. If you are committed towards your work, walk your talk. Assert yourself, right? You will be able to assert yourself in a very powerful way then, so that your voice is heard and your needs are met, right? Okay. Yeah, being assertive is the solution that you get. Being aggressive is not a solution. Yeah. So I close this theme, courage, by a small conclusion here is that courage makes you eligible for who you want to become. It makes you more committed towards yourself and your goals. Only you can do it. I cannot do for you. Only you can do it. Next, I would like to come to the honoring part, the acknowledgement part to the YouTube platform and my audience who is supporting me, who is promoting my video, the earlier video on YouTube. I am more than elated and glad to see all those updates. It keeps me driven and very happy. Yeah, I stay very happy. Yeah, that what I want to give to the world is liking it. The people are enjoying and acknowledging it. It's very important and very, very, very satisfactory feeling. Yeah. So I would like to express my gratitude for the interesting, intelligent and creative audience of mine. Yeah. Their feedback raises my vibration and motivation with their push, with their creative and emotional push and insistence to make more videos like this, to come up with more themes like this. Yeah, so I would like to express that I'm more than committed to create more content for you people in this genre of spiritual and intellectual insights and education along with my journey. Like in my journey I find myself transformed, and the kind of thought process that transforms me become the themes. So I will I can share my things lifelong here. I can share and I will share. More than committed towards my vision, goal and mission to create a very different kind of world who is empowered, strong and courageous. Yeah. So I have this time I would like to update that I have got sincere appreciation and feedback from really senior artists who have traveled the whole world, and they appreciate my approach and my work here in these videos. So it makes me more committed towards my work, since this is like an energy boost for me. when they say, do you understand what we said? I say, of course I do. Sorry, I was not in communication earlier, or maybe I was like lost in my world, my own artistic world. So I'm coming out of it, and it is like it has taken many ages to come out of it, since it was like a big exploration on the part of spiritual journey that I took on my own. Nobody told me to do, since I felt driven to this, and the journey begins. So I am like a very happy that I am able to come out as a more confident and more artistic individual. I can design my own life. This is the confidence that I have received from my years of meditation. Though when I was in the meditative state, I was not able to communicate my things to the people who matter. But now I am able to communicate it to the world and the people who are close to me. So it's a big achievement on my part, and I am more than happy to share the insights with you people, and will continue to share. I'll definitely do the technical upgrades also. I am working on that, since I'm juggling between many roles at present. So kindly excuse me for the inefficiency on the part of technical inputs in my videos. I really want to do the animation part and the thumbnails and titling part, but I'm like aligning myself towards it. Kindly I would request you people to stay patient and keep on supporting my channel, so that I can come up with more insights. Once these old themes will come out, I'll come up with interesting, innovative, fresh themes also. I have some in mind, and I'll definitely upload those also in coming months. Yeah. Thank you very much for being such lovely and beautiful audience to me, and I will get back to you people soon. As soon as I feel driven, it's like a feel that comes to me. Let's make the video. So I'll come when the next video comes. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.